Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix eye tracking option not available. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you want to get the eye tracking option, then you can find it in the accessibility. So you can see it guys, here's the eye tracking. When you tap on that guys, you can also find eye tracking, turn this on. Okay guys, and after that guys, you can easily control your phone with your eyes. Okay guys, so you can see guys, just simply have to turn this on. If this is not available for you, just simply have to go back and just simply have to go to general. From here tap on about and make sure that your device is running on iOS 18. Okay guys, my device is also running on iOS 18. If your device is also running on iOS 18, and then it means you don't have the newer version from iPhone 11. Okay guys, if you have iPhone 11 or older models, that's why you can't find eye tracking option. Okay guys, you can see it guys, I have iPhone 12 Pro Max, that's why it's showing for me. If you don't have iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max or newer models, maybe that's why it's not showing for you. Okay guys, if you have newer version, just simply have to go to software update and just simply have to update your device with iOS 18 and then restart your device, and you can easily find the eye tracking option. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.